All right, good morning and welcome back. You know, this morning we are taking a look at how employers are doing what they can to help their employees be healthy. A win-win situation because employers are now cutting costs, employees are getting healthy. That's the good part of it. Valerie Britt took part in what's called Healthy Wage program, lost more than 20 pounds. Valerie, good to have you here with us this morning.
Thank you very much.
Take me back to this journey that you're on just over the past, 8 or 9 months. What has it been like for you when you decided to commit to kind of changing this lifestyle?
Well, it started with complaining with friends about what we needed to do. And then we heard about the Healthy Wage website and some of the incentives that were offered. So my journey started with a team challenge.
All right, so you're sitting there with your girlfriends, right? What are some of the things you would complain about?
Well,
the way you looked, the way your clothes fit.
Everyone wants to kind of get back to their girlish figure and
their wonder years.
Wonder years, yes. Feel better, and look better, and feel better as well.
So would you all make a pact together and say, hey, let's try this out and let's do this?
Right. Well, this particular challenge, we were part of a team, and we could have possibly won some money depending on our weight loss. So there was a little financial incentive, but it was a win-win situation because even if we didn't win the grand prize, we were going to lose weight trying. And that's what happened.
And that's the hardest part, too, is even getting started on something like that. What was your life kind of like before you started this challenge to yourself and to your friends to lose some of this weight? You know, just being a mother of 3, as you were just saying, what was kind of life like? Were you picking and choosing what you were eating all the time?
Well, my older 2 are adults now, but that's probably where the challenges with the weight started, is ripping and running with activities. I think a lot of moms and dads, too, understand how it is to have to grab food on the go and not be able to plan proper meals, or not take the time to plan proper meals, and also to put children's activities and priorities ahead of our own.
Right. And how hard is it with kids to plan those meals?
Well, it's very hard. And when you have multiple tastes in the household, I mean, when I was growing up, you ate what was put in front of you, but for some reason...
Otherwise, you go hungry.
Yes. But children now, it's not just mine. I don't like this, I don't eat this. So it's very challenging to not only find the good foods, but find the foods that everyone wants, and then find the time to prepare it.
And that are healthy as well, but also that are cost-effective and affordable, because it is difficult if you don't have a lot of money to go out there and buy groceries that are affordable.
Yes, and I used to think so, and I've taken nutrition classes before, and some of the guidelines are to shop around the perimeter of the grocery store where the produce is, rather than in the aisles. That's where you have more of the packages and processed foods. But those are the more affordable foods. Those are the ones that are quick. So it's tempting to do that when your life is very hectic.
How has your life changed? So you started this program. What was the biggest challenge as you were doing this? What was the hardest thing you endured?
Well, you kind of hit on it when you said being able to plan, take the time and the money. It appears expensive at first to eat healthy, but I can't really explain it. But once you start eating the healthier foods, the produce and the healthy lean proteins and whatnot, somehow I think because maybe your body is satiated with more quality food, you actually eat less. And I don't feel that my grocery expense is more now, but I do. My grocery cart looks completely different. Less boxes and cans and envelopes.
I tell people all the time, you know, food is the fuel for the body, right?
Exactly.
If you eat healthy, you don't have to eat a lot, because your body doesn't have to work as hard to process the good food, because the good food that you're eating is filled with nutrients. But if you're eating fast food all the time, your body is working so hard to pick out what little nutrients there is in that poor food that your body's working twice as hard.
That's right. For me, specifically, my challenge is I didn't eat sufficient protein. And I just ate a lot of carbs, and those simple carbs. And so it's been an adjustment for me to get used to including protein at each meal, and that's helped keep the hunger down.
How do you feel today?
I feel much better. It's actually bigger than weight loss for me and something cosmetic. It's health overall. Medically, I have arthritis in both knees, and right now I don't have to take painkillers on a daily basis. But a year ago, I was taking a lot of painkillers, prescription and over the counter. And now I take none, and I find that remarkable. I didn't think that, and just with a 17 or 25-pound weight loss, I felt the difference, and I look forward to losing more and feeling better. And also my blood pressure has come down, and I feel better. I have more energy. I'm not as tired.
People talk about dieting and weight loss, and sometimes when people take on a new diet, they'll lose 20 or 30 pounds within a month or two. But then a month or two later, that weight comes right back on. And you and I were talking, during commercial break that, it's a lifestyle change. And that sometimes the slower you take off the weight, the better it is in the long run because you'll be able to keep that weight off. Has that been the case for you?
Absolutely. The Healthy Wage Challenge actually promoted a slower weight loss. Teams were not rewarded if they lost more than a certain percentage of their body weight in a certain percentage of time. So there was no incentive to do the quick weight loss.
Quick and easy.
Quick and easy. So it's been the slow and steady, and I've had to learn how to celebrate the small changes. Now, certainly there have been more people who have lost way more than I have, but I'm very happy.
All right, very good. Valerie, thank you for coming on and sharing your story, and hopefully someone out there watching, it'll inspire them to help them lose the weight as well.